Hello everyone, and welcome to the Home English Network. Today, we are going to listen to a simple and interesting story about a family trip to the airport. You will hear common English words and sentences that people often use when they travel. This story is about a family of four: Dad, Mom, Emma, and Tom. They are going to the airport because they are taking a flight for their family vacation. Listen carefully, and try to understand the conversation. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on the main idea and listen for familiar expressions. Let's begin. Getting ready at home. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The family has an early flight, so everyone needs to get ready quickly. Dad: Good morning, everyone. Are you ready? Mom: Almost. I'm checking our bags one more time. Dad: Good idea. We don't want to forget anything. Emma: Mom, where is my backpack? Mom: Your backpack is near the door, Emma. Emma: Oh, I see it. Thank you. Tom: Dad, do we have our passports? Dad: Yes, I have all the passports. Tom: What about the flight tickets? Dad: I have them on my phone. Mom: And I have the hotel reservation. Dad: Perfect. It looks like everything is ready. Emma: I'm so excited. I can't wait to get on the airplane. Tom: Me too. I want to sit near the window. Emma: I want the window seat. Tom: But I asked first. Mom: Don't argue. We can decide at the airport. Dad: That's right. Now, everyone, take your bags. The family checks the house one last time. Mom turns off the lights. Dad checks the doors and windows. Dad: Okay, everyone. Let's go. Emma: Yay, our vacation is starting. Driving to the airport, the family gets into the car. Dad puts the suitcases in the trunk and starts driving. Tom: Dad, how long will it take to get to the airport? Dad: About 45 minutes. Emma: Is there a lot of traffic? Dad: I'm not sure. It's early, so hopefully the roads won't be too busy. Mom: We left home early, so we have plenty of time. Tom: That's good. I don't want to miss our flight. Dad: Don't worry, we won't be late. Emma looks out of the window. She sees cars, buses, shops, and people going to work. Emma: Look, I can see an airplane. Tom: Where? Emma: Over there, in the sky. Tom: Wow, it's flying very high. Dad: Yes, there are many airplanes near the airport. Mom: This is going to be a fun trip. After about 40 minutes, Dad sees a large sign. Dad: Look, everyone. We are almost at the airport. Emma: I can see it. Tom: The airport is huge. Arriving at the airport, the family arrives at the airport. Dad parks the car. Everyone gets out and takes their bags. Mom: Emma, stay close to us. Emma: Okay, Mom. Dad: Tom, can you carry your backpack? Tom: Sure. Dad: Great, I'll carry the big suitcase. The family walks into the airport. There are many people inside. Some people are carrying suitcases. Others are waiting in lines. Emma: Wow, there are so many people. Mom: Yes, airports are usually very busy. Tom: Where do we go first? Dad: First, we need to check in. Mom: Let's find our airline counter. Dad looks at the signs. Dad: Here it is. Counter 15. Tom: There is a long line. Dad: That's okay, we have enough time. The family stands in line and waits. Checking in. After a few minutes, it is their turn. Airline staff: Good morning. May I see your passports, please? Dad: Good morning. Of course. Here they are. Airline staff: Thank you. How many bags are you checking in? Dad: We have 3 suitcases. Airline staff: Please put them on the scale. Dad puts the suitcases on the scale. Airline staff: Everything looks good. Mom: Great. Airline staff: Here are your boarding passes. Dad: Thank you. Airline staff: Your gate is gate 12. Dad: What time does boarding begin? Airline staff: Boarding begins at 7:30. Dad: Thank you very much. Airline staff: You're welcome. Have a nice flight. Mom: Thank you. The family walks away from the counter. Tom: What is a boarding pass? Mom: A boarding pass is a document that tells us our flight details and seat number. Tom: Oh, I understand. Emma: And what is our gate? Dad: Our gate is gate 12. That's where we will board the airplane. Going through security. The family follows the signs to the security area. Emma: What happens here? Mom: We need to go through security. Tom: Is it difficult? Dad. No, it's easy. Just follow the instructions. They put their bags on the conveyor belt. Mom. Emma, put your backpack here. Emma. Okay. Everyone goes through the security check. A few minutes later, they collect their bags. Tom. That was easy. Dad. See, nothing to worry about. Emma. Where do we go now? Dad. Now we need to find gate 12. Waiting at the gate, the family finds gate 12. There are many comfortable seats near the gate. They sit down and wait. Mom. We have some time before boarding. Tom. Can I buy a snack? Dad. Yes, but stay close to the gate. Tom. Okay. Tom buys some cookies and juice. Emma looks through the large airport window. Emma. Look at that airplane. Mom. Isn't it beautiful? Emma. Yes. Is that our airplane? Dad. I think so. Tom. It's so big. Dad. Airplanes are much bigger than they look in pictures. Emma. I can't wait to get inside. The family talks about their vacation. Mom. What do you want to do when we arrive? Emma. I want to visit the beach. Tom. I want to try the local food. Dad. And I want to take lots of pictures. Mom. It sounds like we have a lot of plans. Boarding the airplane. Suddenly, they hear an announcement. Airport announcement. Passengers traveling on flight 205, please proceed to gate 12 for boarding. Dad. That's our flight. Mom. Everyone, take your bags. Tom. I'm ready. Emma. Me too. They walk toward the gate. Airline staff. May I see your boarding passes, please? Dad. Sure. Here they are. Airline staff. Thank you. Have a pleasant flight. Mom. Thank you. The family walks onto the airplane. Emma. Wow, the airplane is beautiful. Tom. Look at all the seats. They find their seats. Dad. Emma, you have the window seat. Emma. Really? Thank you. Tom. That's not fair. Mom. Tom, you can sit by the window on the way home. Tom. Okay, that's a good idea. Everyone puts their small bags in the overhead compartments. They sit down and fasten their seat belts. Take off. Dad. Everyone ready? Emma. Yes. Tom. I'm ready. Mom. Don't forget your seat belt. Tom. It's fastened. The airplane begins to move. Emma looks through the window. Emma. We're moving. Tom. Wow, the airplane moves faster and faster. Then it takes off. Emma. Look at the city. Mom. It looks so small from up here. Tom. And look at the clouds. Dad. Beautiful, isn't it? Emma. Yes. This is amazing. Everyone smiles. They are excited about their vacation. Conclusion. After a few minutes, the airplane is flying smoothly above the clouds. The family relaxes and enjoys the journey. Mom. I'm so happy that we are traveling together. Dad. Me too. Family trips are always special. Tom. I can't wait to arrive. Emma. Me neither. Dad. Remember, traveling isn't only about reaching a destination. It's also about enjoying the journey. Mom. That's right. We packed our bags together, drove to the airport, checked in, passed through security, and boarded the airplane together. Tom. And now our adventure has started. Emma. I'm going to remember this trip for a long time. The family smiles and looks out of the airplane windows. Their vacation has officially begun. Useful A2 English vocabulary. Here are some useful words from today's listening practice. Airport, a place where airplanes arrive and leave. Flight, a journey by airplane. Passport, an official document used for international travel. Ticket, a document or digital record that allows you to travel. Luggage, bags and suitcases that you take when traveling. Check-in, the process of getting your boarding pass and checking your luggage. Boarding pass, a document that allows you to get on the airplane. Gate, the place where passengers wait to board their airplane. Security, the airport check before entering the departure area. Board, to get onto an airplane. Seat belt, a safety belt that passengers wear on the airplane. Takeoff, the moment when an airplane leaves the ground. Destination, the place where you are going. Thank you for listening. Try to listen to this story again and repeat the sentences aloud. Repetition will help you improve your listening, pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking skills. Keep practicing English every day, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Little by little, your English will become better and more confident.